Hey everyone, Jason Catrone here.
Carlos Santiago.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective. You know what I just noticed? You can't really, maybe it shows up better on a camera. We're kind of far away.
I do a little zoom on it.
Oh.
So that they can see how beautiful.
We just love our new mugs. They're
Mug.
We also, like, unknowingly, I think, obviously I wear black all the time. Mm-hmm. I do wear colors as well. You do too. You wear black a lot. A lot of people do.
Yeah. A lot of musicians.
But
kind of
what I'm getting at is we have somehow collectively brought all this, to use the word again, black and white together. Yeah. We have white chairs, the wall. Mm-hmm. This was not all intentionally planned.
Our souls, just dark.
Oh, yeah.
Dark souls. Moody.
We're just...
Moody musicians created.
Yeah.
And I'm like,
yeah.
it's like, what?
God. Oh my gosh.
Anyway.
Speaking of moody musicians, well, before we do this, hit that subscribe button.
Yes.
Follow along. Listen and watch that podcast.
Yes.
We drop it every Friday. Mondays are reactions. Fridays are podcasts. We'll see what else we may add this year. I don't know. Mm-hmm. Maybe Donut Day.
Donut Day would be sick.
That would be sick.
We've got a Shipley's nearby.
Coffees and donuts. Shipley donuts are real good, you guys.
So good. Oh my gosh.
We may have to do that sometime. Well, they've hit the subscribe button at this point, clearly. So now that you've done that, we can do this. Yes. Carlos, who we got coming today?
Wish 107.5.
Oh, my fave.
Ooh, that was deep.
That was.
I don't usually get that deep.
That's so good.
SB19 Gloc.
Ooh.
Here we go.
Kalakal. Handa na tayo? Tayo na.
Out of the gate. Come on, boy. You should do that to your hair.
I should.
Speaking of deep. No subs on this?
Just says applause music.
Pakinggan mga salita'y nakikipagsuntukan. Kakaiba, di makakaila. Kakainin mo lahat ng mga salita. Masarap, di ba? Di ka magsasaw. Lunukin mo na lang, tama na ang kuda.
Binura, sinara, pero di mo pa rin gaya. Isubo marana, wala dinala kami. Nagsimula lahat kumaya. Laging pinipilahan kahit nga hindi magbet. Paano pa kaya kapag naputol kong kadena? Sa unang tingin palang kala mo na nawala akong ibubuga. Teka lang sandali, tumigil ka at titigan ako sa aking mga mata. Tamo ba na bukod sa aking mukha daming bagay pa ang pwede kong itinda. Wag mo na malamig baka mahigit ka. Lika rito babauna kita. Why don't you just listen? Bakit ba ayaw nyo pang aminin? Alam ko namang isa ka rin sa palihim na gusto ring makatikin.
Opening portal.
You can't stop this. We're gonna
Get a hold of teddy bear.
Bawat tunog na pinipinta, ding hindi mo to maiinda. Parang patalim na tinara, kaming pinadana, kadamang-dama mo na. Dala namin pag kami ang parating, tulad ng isang pinagbigyang hiling. Makikita na lamang ang iyong sarili na sumasang-ayong. Kahit ilang ngunit pa ang dumaang panahon, namin nga lulong, di makukulong sa kahon. Dumadagundong na parang gulong na pison sa isang tugon, tumatalon sa balon. Kami lamang at wala ng iba pa, itaya mo na lahat na kayang ikasa. Na nakaharangan din namin kayang daanan kasi mapapalaba kaya na dapat na alam mo na.
Alright, come on.
Bayaw nyo pang aminin. Alam ko namang isa ka rin sa palihim na gusto rin makatikim sa iya. You can't stop this. We're gonna get it. Cause we're born to take it. Alam mo yan, pag kami laging iba. Lapag ang ipon pag kami nagtitinda.
Yes.
Bam! They just dropped that
That's
so
how
high.
you do that. That's how you do that.
That was so good. What the heck?
I'm so glad that we saw this. SB19 and Gloc-9.
Listen, Gloc-9 was
It's on fire.
on fire.
That was crazy.
That was so freaking good. You know what else I'm sitting here thinking is like, you and I could never do that.
No! I'm over here talking about hugging teddy bears, like doing this number here, you know.
That, you guys, the intensity of what they just did, the intentionality, the aggressive attack on all those freaking lyrics.
That's the Glock.
That was the Glock.
Glock.
That was the Glock. That
good.
was so fire.
So good.
That was fantastic. That gets a freaking holy cow. Dang. Are you driving the cow?
Yeah.
You should ride in on a cow one show. That'd be fun. We need a cow first.
Yeah, we
but
sure do.
That was sick, guys.
So cool.
I'm so glad we reacted to this today.
Yep.
Hope you all enjoyed this. Leave some comments
Yes.
for us. Let us know what you think. Let us know what you want to watch next. And more than anything, hit that subscribe button and
Yes,
follow along
yes,
to everything we do over here at the Vocal Lab. Because we love it, love it, love it, love it.
Love it.
Got some like
I know, me too.
creamer.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't have
Yeah.
that. It's just.
Anyway, we're digressing.
Yep.
That blew my mind.
Yep.
Till next time, I'm Jason Catrone.
Carlos Santiago.
We're a Vocal Lab
Lab
Collective.
Collective.